Hey guys, how are you? It's been forever since I did a vlog and I have just randomly decided to do this vlog. Imagine that's why I look like this, because it wasn't in my plans. But let's get straight into it. I am making dinner currently and I want to show you guys what I'm making. Surprise! I'm making liver and spinach and ugali. This is the corn flour that we get here in Norway. This is 1 kilo and it goes for 34, almost 35 crowns. I had to convert that amount. 35 Norwegian crowns to Kenya shillings is 300 Kenya shillings. So for 1 kilo of maize flour, we get it at 300 Kenya shillings. Life in this country is expensive. Here I'm boiling ginger tea. We always have ginger tea in this house. It's like an addiction. So it's just blended ginger with lemon, and we also add tea leaves. Use forest fruit. It's really nice. And we also added one of mint leaves. As you can see, these are Indian names, or Pakistan. We get most things from there. And also today we got Mwangi cubes. This is amazing that we can get most of the things that we use here.
Anyway, let's get cooking. So I'm starting by cutting the liver into small pieces, and then I will add in milk.
I always add milk to my liver. I don't know what it helps with actually. I add the milk and just let the liver soak in the milk for some time, like 20 to 30 minutes.
So as the liver marinates, I went ahead to chop my onions that I would use to fry the liver. One thing I love about my life in Norway is the fact that I am able to still enjoy some Kenyan meals. Although sometimes it's not like I would get like this spinach, because like these ones we were given by our neighbor when he'd planted during summer. At least we try our best to cook Kenyan meals, and that really helps me not to feel homesick. Like it makes it better. So I feel like if you are new in a country, try cooking, at least finding meals that will make you happy. This is the brush that we use to wash dishes here. We don't use the normal green scratching thing that we use in Kenya to wash dishes. We normally use that brush and it actually works. So going back to the food, so I went ahead to first of all fry the liver, just let it like fry on its own, and then I started like adding spices to my onions. And a secret ingredient in this recipe is ketchup or tomato sauce and soy sauce. Use that when frying your liver and thank me later. Of course, we went ahead to cook ugali, and the spinach were also ready, and guys, we enjoyed this meal. It was amazing. We also had maziwa mala, fermented milk. So I wanted to share also this with you guys. We have this thing called Too Good To Go in Norway, which is basically restaurants, once they close down, they sell some of their pastries at very cheap prices in the evening, very cheap prices. So if you're in Norway, check out Too Good To Go to get affordable pastries. So this is the following day. I was going to school as usual, bus, train, because school is 30 minutes away. But yeah, winter is here, so I really appreciate the fact that we can still have good transport systems that is warm. Yeah, so I went to class, and after class I went to Oslo. I was actually going to this shop that I really like to buy a screen protector for my phone. I think it's it's run by Arabs. It's called Euromobile. It's in Oslo. So I went and bought a screen protector for my phone. They are very cheap here. If you're in Oslo, this shop, it's very cheap. Just Google the location if you ever need to buy phone accessories. I then got back home and started packing for a trip, a very exciting one. And of course, I had to pack my favorite Norwegian chocolate. This one is exciting. I don't know if I'm going to manage to make my hair, because it's almost 6:30 p.m. right now. And as you can see, it's now that I'm packing. And my sister was supposed to braid my hair yesterday, but we couldn't make it today as well. I didn't make it yet. So it's either tomorrow I'll have braided my hair or I'll be wearing a wig, one of them. I managed to get my hair done. Big shout out to my sister. She did an amazing job. She literally braided my hair in the middle of the night. So this is the following morning. Of course, I'm heading to the airport. I was so excited about this trip and nervous at the same time because I was not sure if I need a UK visa since I was going with British Airways and to UK. But this was me just going by faith. But anyway, I'm gonna share all about where I was going in my next vlog. I've already filmed them, so they are coming your way. So subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for my next one where I'll be showing you guys and sharing with you where I was. So thank you for watching this one. Kwaheri.